Okay, now start.
I'm playing with my mouse.
Start.
See, I'm playing with my mouse. Good there. What is number is this? Okay. Yes. Do 6. Yes.
Okay, then which? Also, you will say the number that you are going to do. So you have done 46. Then
Minus 1.
then
Minus 4. Minus 4.
no, this is wrong. You have done minus 40. Instead of minus 4, you have done minus 40.
Oh. Okay. Then I did.
Wait, I will reset. I will reset the abacus. No, do from the beginning. Tell the number and do it.
Okay. Plus 4. Plus 5. Then plus 1. Then minus 1 and minus 4. Then minus 4. Minus 5 plus 1 is minus 5 plus 1. Yes. Then minus what is minus 3.
Forgot?
How to do minus 3?
Okay, I will show you. So to do this minus 3, you will do minus 10 plus 7. Always remember about the big friend and small friend. Any one friend will going to help you. Understood? So now do it. Minus 10 plus 7.
Minus 10 plus 5 and
What is the answer?
yes, 38.
38, yes.
I write the answer by myself. I want to write my answer.
You can write in copy, you cannot write in screen.
I write. This is
Now do the next question. What is the first number in next question?
5, 15 plus 15. Do na. Arjun left. Okay, plus 15, then plus 2, plus 2, then it is 52, then 6, plus 5, and plus 1, and plus 4, plus 4, plus 10, minus 1, minus 5. Then plus 2. No. No. Come on. Oh my god. Another one. 64.
64. Good.
Yay!
But you are taking too much time. And now,
Because I want to.
next question.
Because I want to do with the mouse and just pretending to do with the mouse.
Okay, you are trying to do it, mouse. Okay, do it. Next. First number is 23.
It is not all. And the 23 plus 20 plus 3, then plus 5, plus 5, then minus 1, then plus 2, you can hear that sound, then 4, plus 10, minus 1, minus 5. But that was first.
What is the answer? What is the answer?
33.
Yes. Yes, 33. Wait.
Wait, I want to see. Tens, ones, tens, 100, ones, tens, 100.
Now, do next one.
Okay. 18, then plus 5, then plus 4, no, plus 4, yes, then 6, plus 10, plus 4, minus 4. Answer is 95.
Wow. Good.
I did with the mouse. Thank you, mouse. My father buy me a computer and a mouse to learn ABCD.
Okay.
Because in a computer, there is A, Z, B, all jumbled.
Now, next question, last one. Do it.
Last one, the mental calculation. Plus 20, then plus 4, then minus 4, then plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. Why is not working? Plus 1. Yes. Then plus 3. Then plus 3.
Okay. So, what is the answer?
You did 24.
Good.
Judy, ding ding ding, Judy, ding ding ding.
Good. Now, prepare your mind for mental calculation.